National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Warwick to 4 miles south of Wellston to 7 miles southeast of Luther to 3 miles northwest of Hara, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Choctaw, Hara, Jones, Stroud, Prague, Meeker, Davenport, Wellston, Sparks, Warwick, Kendrick, Avery, and Parkland. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 150 and 182. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.